Our planet thrives on diversity. From the lush rainforests to the vibrant coral reefs, every species plays a vital role. This intricate web of life is what we call biodiversity. It's the very foundation of our planet's health and resilience. A healthy ecosystem can withstand shocks and recover from disturbances. Like a safety net, biodiversity ensures the stability of our planet. However, this delicate balance is under threat. Since July 2023, we've witnessed an alarming acceleration in biodiversity loss. Deforestation rates have surged, pushing countless species towards extinction. The very fabric of life is being torn apart, and the consequences are dire. The loss of one species can trigger a domino effect, impacting the entire ecosystem. This loss of biodiversity makes our planet vulnerable. It weakens the planet's ability to recover from natural disasters and adapt to climate change. The United Nations climate action plans emphasize the need to protect biodiversity. By aligning with these plans, we can work towards a sustainable future. Together, we can restore balance and ensure the resilience of our ecosystems. The Amazon rainforest, a symphony of life, is facing an unprecedented crisis. Once a symbol of nature's resilience, it's now a cautionary tale of human impact. Deforestation rates have skyrocketed since 2023, fueled by illegal logging and land grabbing. The consequences are devastating. Species like the jaguar and the tapir, once thriving, are now struggling for survival. Their habitat is shrinking at an alarming rate, pushing them closer to the brink of extinction. The loss of these keystone species can trigger a cascade of negative effects throughout the ecosystem. The Amazon's ability to regulate global climate is also under threat. Deforestation releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, accelerating climate change. This, in turn, further exacerbates the threats to the Amazon and other ecosystems worldwide. The United Nations climate action plans aim to address these challenges by promoting sustainable practices and protecting vital ecosystems like the Amazon. Through international cooperation and local initiatives, we can work towards a future where biodiversity thrives and ecosystems are resilient. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are facing an existential threat. These vibrant ecosystems, teeming with life, are highly vulnerable to changes in ocean temperature and acidity. Since 2023, we've witnessed a devastating increase in coral bleaching events. The warming waters, a consequence of climate change, cause corals to expel the algae living in their tissues, leading to their death. This loss of color, a stark visual reminder of the crisis, is a death knell for the countless species that depend on coral reefs for survival. Recent efforts in coral restoration offer a glimmer of hope. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to develop innovative solutions, including coral gardening and the use of artificial reefs. The United Nations climate action plans emphasize the need for a global effort to address the root causes of climate change, ensuring the survival of these precious ecosystems. The loss of biodiversity is not just an environmental issue, it's a human issue. Our health, well-being, and very survival are inextricably linked to the health of our planet. The consequences of inaction are far-reaching, impacting food security, increasing the risk of disease outbreaks, and exacerbating climate change. The good news is that it's not too late. Global efforts to combat biodiversity loss are gaining momentum, aligning with the United Nations climate action plans. Governments are implementing stricter environmental regulations, and individuals are adopting more sustainable lifestyles. There is a growing recognition that we are part of nature, not separate from it. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting conservation efforts, and demanding action from our leaders, we can protect biodiversity. This is our planet, our home, and it's our responsibility to safeguard it for future generations. The time to act is now before it's too late. The United Nations climate action plans provide a roadmap for this urgent mission.